Hi there. Today I will be discussing about ginger. What is ginger? And its benefits. Stay tuned as I continue. Ginger is a hot fragrant spice made from the rhizome of a plant, which may be chopped or powdered for cooking, preserved in syrup or candied. It is a Southeast Asian plant which resembles bamboo in appearance, from which ginger is taken. Scientific name of ginger is Zingiber officinale. Rose. Belongs to the family Zingiberaceae, in the order Zingiberales of monocotyledons, which is composed of 50 genera and around 1,500 species of perennial tropical herbs, which may be chopped or powdered for cooking, preserved in syrup or candied. Ginger keeps your mouth healthy. Ginger contains raffinose and gingerol, two compounds that have been shown to help temporarily reduce inflammation and pain. The compounds in ginger can also help reduce the oral bacteria that lead to cavities and to gum disease, making it a generally effectively to your oral health regime. Ginger can fight germs. Certain chemical compounds in fresh ginger help your body ward off germs. They're especially good at halting growth of bacteria like E. coli and Shigella, and they may also keep virus like RSV at bay. Ginger protects against diseases. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, compounds that prevent stress and damage to your body's DNA. They may help your body fight off chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, and diseases of the lungs. Ginger calms nausea. Ginger is often marketed as a natural way to reduce nausea or calm an upset stomach. Its ability to alleviate nausea and vomiting is its best supported use. Some studies have found that the spice may be as effective as some anti-nausea medications with fewer side effects. Ginger is an ancient herb used widely in history for its many natural medicinal properties, and particularly as an antiemetic. Ginger is an effective and inexpensive treatment for nausea and vomiting. Ginger helps lower cholesterol level. Ginger can lower cholesterol and triglycerides levels. A study conducted in 2008 showed that it can reduce your LDL cholesterol levels and boost your HDL cholesterol. You can take ginger as a supplement or powder, or simply added raw to food. Ginger relieves indigestion. Ginger is another natural remedy for indigestion because it can reduce stomach acid. The same way too little stomach acid causes indigestion. Too much stomach acid has the same effect. Drink a cup of ginger tea as needed to soothe your stomach and get rid of indigestion. Ginger lowers blood sugar. Ginger can be an effective addition to your diabetes treatment, if you use in moderation. Eating up to 4 grams per day may help lower your blood sugar levels and regulate insulin production. Presence of gingerols. The major active component of ginger rhizome is said to improve the uptake of glucose into muscle cells without using insulin, and may therefore help in the management of high blood sugar levels. Ginger curbs cancer growth. A number of studies have shown that curcumin, yellow chemical compound in turmeric, has got anti-cancerous properties. It has the ability to kill cancer cells and prevent more from growing. Curcumin inhibit growth of various cancer cells in bone, breast, brain, colon, stomach, bladder, kidney, prostate, and ovary. It can also kill the cancer cells by apoptosis. It is a programmed cell death. Ginger soothes arthritis symptoms. Ginger is one of the best foods with anti-inflammatory properties. An examination of 5 studies found that people who had osteoarthritis and took ginger had a 30% decrease in pain, and a 22% reduction in disability, compared with control groups. The anti-inflammatory properties seem to help relieve pain and improve joint function in people who have arthritis. Ginger helps sore muscles. The results showed that raw and heat-treated ginger reduced muscle pain by 25% and 23% respectively. Researchers say previous studies in animals have shown that ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, which might help explain its beneficial effects on muscle pain. Ginger eases period pains. Ginger is a wonder herb that can effectively ease menstrual cramps. It also helps fight fatigue associated with premenstrual syndrome, and can make irregular periods regular. Those are the benefits of ginger. Thank you for watching. Special shout out to the following: Eleanor Riddle, Annabelle Espina, Imelda Africa, Thelma Ababa, Anthony Legospi, Marcelina Canlis, Shyla Rodriguez, Annalisa Lozano. Thank you for watching. God bless.